Okay, in this video, we're going to be making a mailing list and a landing page so you can start collecting emails and start retargeting your traffic. Okay, retargeting. Imagine people don't buy on the first exposure to something. So you get them exposed to something, you collect their email, and then you retarget them with emails reminding them how great the product is. And you do that every couple of days. And it's a whole strategy. But a good email, a good scrubbed email, like I said in the other video, is worth $1 a month per email. So if you have a 10,000 subscriber email, $10,000 a month, pretty good. And a scrubbed email list is, pick a number, 3 emails, 5 emails, whatever it is. So if the number's 3, so if they don't open 3 emails, you send them 3 emails, they don't open any of them, they're off the list. You scrub it, they're off the list. Or if it's 5, then they get 5 emails, they haven't opened any of them, that you scrub it, you get rid of them. If they open the emails, you keep them. Not necessarily anybody that buys, because they might not buy, but they may eventually buy. If they're opening the emails, they're interested in what you're doing. So you keep them on the list. Now that list, a scrubbed list like that, is worth $1 a month per email. Okay. So now we're going to go, we're using Builderall. I use Builderall. I've been using Builderall for 5 years. It's the complete platforms for digital marketing. It's got everything you need here. Building, website builders, email marketing, retargeting, e-learning. I can go on and on. Let me just pop this up here so you can see this. These are all the apps. Over 60 tools it has for the digital marketer. All right. We're going to use the Mailing Boss. Mailing Boss is the most robust email marketing platform exclusive to the Builderall platform. So this is going to be your email. You're going to build your email list here. Now I should say you could build your email list in any one of the platforms, any one of the softwares. Like I said, I've been using Builderall for 5 years, so that's what I'm using. So we are going to create a new list. Go to lists. Okay, now these are some of my list, my affiliate marketing list, my Amazon Live list. All right, we're going to create a list up here. All right, and the list name. Now we're going to call it "You Didn't Know." Enter the subscriber. Okay. He's going to be a single opt-in. Well, actually, it's going to be double opt-in, single opt-out. All right, and then you can write your description in here. All right, now, boom, list updated successfully. So now I have a list. Okay, I have an email list. Now let's get some emails on here. Right, let's get some emails on here. All right, now you got a welcome email, unsubscribed email. This is all already done for you in Builderall. You don't have to worry about making all these other emails. But let's close this now. Let's go to the videotape. I'm going to go back to Cheetah. This is the Cheetah website builder, okay, in Builderall again. Now, these are all my websites that I've built in Builderall. We're going to go to the You Didn't Know website. We're going to go to the website manager. And these are all the pages, the home page, the About Me page, my course, my blog posts, my sales page, another course that I have, and some of my blog posts that I'm doing lately with product blogs, okay? But we want to create a new page. We're going to create a new page. Don't have to optimize this for SEO, okay? Because you're going to be sending traffic to it. Lead capture, we're going to edit. I'm going to go over here, and the first thing we got to do is we got to add a panel. Let's add a header. I always forget to add a header, so let's add an easy header. Alrighty. Now let's return. We're going to look for another one. Lead magnet page. All templates already made for you. Okay, so now here's the thing. You need a lead capture. So you need something that they're going to want to put their email in to get. So you got to think of something like your tips, your shopping tips, or secrets, or something like that, that you can make a list, or a PDF, and people will put their email in to get it. So they want to know that your tips, they want to know your best shopping tips, they want to know how the best ways to use Prime, they want to use whatever it is that you can think of to be a lead capture. That's what you're going to do, and you're going to create the lead. Can now we're here, and we can turn around, and it's a template, so you can put whatever you want here. Okay, whatever you want. So you can put sign up for my email list, get your whatever it is here, sign up for your email. All right, and then you put down in here, let me see which one it is. Set list. Okay, so you're going to set the list, and it's going to ask you which list you want. All right, that was the default you didn't know, so we're going to go to you didn't know. That's the list we want to, that's the list we want to have. And it also gives you an option to create a new list there. All right. And now you can change whatever words you want to put in here. This is all optimizable. Over here, you can change the photo. You can put the photo of whatever your lead magnet is right in there. Okay. And then you share this page on your social media. Okay. And you're going to get emails. And then when you get the emails, you start building the email list. You start sending your blog posts to your email list. Okay, you start sending the blog posts to the email list. Now, it's important, in the emails, you can't put Amazon links in emails. So you have to send them to your storefront, or if you're a Logie member. If you're lucky enough to be a Logie member, and there'll be a link down the bottom. If you get your free go.shopping page, use your free go.shopping page for that. And you drive traffic to Amazon using your affiliate links. Not your affiliate links, using your email list. Okay. So what happens is they get on your blog post, and on the bottom of every blog post, you're going to put a link to this page. All right. Sign up for our newsletter, sign up for our email list, sign up for whatever, however you want to do it. You can put out a newsletter every week. Uh, you could, a lead capture could be deals of the day. We send out an email with deals of the day, or deals of the week, or whatever, right? Whatever it is, right? So they get that, they're going to sign up both for the email. They're going to put their email in order to get that, right? Because something of value they want. And then you have their email, and then you're going to send your blog posts to the emails. You're going to build your list. You're going to share it on your social medias. You're going to share it everywhere you can share it, and it's like a big compounding thing. And it's another tool in the toolbox for the influencer. So it's another income stream. So the problem is, people don't buy on the first exposure. So they see your video, your ad, your YouTube channel, your whatever it is. They see it, right? Your TikTok, your Instagram. They see it one time, but they're not going to buy them. Nobody buys the first time they see something. They're going to go to Google. They're going to research. They're going to wait to see it a couple more times. They're not going to buy the first time. All right. So the trick is to get their email, so that you can send them email after email after email. Okay, about the product. Okay, this way, the first email is, this is what your life will be without the product. This is what your life will be with the product, is the next email. This will be you just keep sending them valuable emails until they buy. Okay, and the email list, the beauty of the email list is you have them on there until they die, right? They either opt out or they die. Okay, so that's hopefully that'll get you going. And if you want me to go in more in depth with going, because I don't want to customize this, because everybody's going to do their own thing, and this is very customizable, and it's up to you and your design and what you want to do. And the tutorials in Builderall, there'll be a link for Builderall, there'll be a link for Logie down in the bottom in the description. And the tutorials are, you can do anything. And I've been using Builderall for 5 years now, and it's really good software for the digital marketer, the influencer. Okay, just a couple of more things. Here's the list we made. The you didn't know list is the one we use. So let's click on you didn't know, right? Now they have already done for you pages and emails. Okay, so we're going to go here. Now, these are the pages. They have a subscribe form, pending subscribe confirmed, update. So these pages are all there on your website already. All you got to do is update them, and they're all set up. And easy peasy. It's just copy and paste, drag and drop. Okay. They also have emails that are coming. So you got the unsubscribe email. When they unsubscribe, you're going to send them, it automatically sends them an email, tells them, sorry to see you go, right? Or subscribe confirmation. So when they subscribe, they're going to get an email. They have to click the email to double opt in. That's the law, right? So they double opt in. They're going to get a confirmation email. Then you can send them a welcome email with a welcome video, a welcome note, a welcome whatever. Welcome to the, if it's a Facebook group, welcome to the group, welcome to the tribe, welcome to this, thank you for coming aboard. You're going to be excited. This is what we're going to do for you. And then the subscription confirmed email. And these are all done for you. Or you can go in and update them and customize them to what you want, right? But Builderall has it all there for you. Okay, Builderall has it all there for you. All right, and so you want to see the subscriber list, the subscriber count jump. So let me see now this one here. So just to give you an idea what it looks like, subscribers. It's going to tell you the subscriber that they confirmed what form they were on, okay, and when they came in. All right. Now you can also get overviews, and they'll also give you on subscribers per month. I got none. Delivery bounces, I've got none. Emails, I've only sent out one email lately. All right. So anyway, that's the mailing boss list. You need an email list. Okay, you need an email list. So leave me a comment down below if you need to know anything more. I know I just touched on a bunch of stuff and I didn't go into depth with anything, but I just wanted to let you know how to do it, what to do. Let me know what you need to know, and I'll make the next video covering what you need to know. Okay, so let me know in the